Hey y'all, welcome back. Let's get back into another makeup tutorial. I am using Plain Makeup by Yolanda's brow soap and some setting spray by Urban Decay to set these eyebrows. Let's get into it. Now I'm going to use some setting powder from Dante Mousse collection. It's called Mannequin Skin in the shade Mousse. To outline the eyebrows, we're going to use Plain Makeup by Yolanda. This is her eyebrow pomade, and this is in the shade Dark Brown Ash. I usually do this part after I already put the concealer on, but I'm going to go ahead and do it now. Let's clean up these eyebrows with some LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Now once you got that all cleaned up, you're going to go in with a blending brush. This blending brush is from the Real Technique. I'm just using it to go over the concealer I just put up there. So you just want to make sure you blend it all out. Usually I'll go ahead and do my eyes, but this time I'm going to go ahead and do my face. And we're going to prime our face with this Milk Hydro Face Primer. I am going to just lightly tap or just press this into my face. Alright, we're going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer Stick. This is the only concealer stick that I'm using right now at the moment. I tried different ones, but this one just seems to be my go-to. We're going to use no other than MAC Cosmetics Foundation. This is in the shade NC47. This is foundation that is full coverage. It's buildable, but I can definitely tell that it is full coverage for me. We're going to use some brushes from Plain Makeup by Yolanda. I'm not too sure if these brushes are even on her website are on sale anymore, but you can find plenty more brush sets on her website. Right now I'm just packing that concealer that I put down in, making sure that I put it in the places that I want it to go. I like to look up when I get under my under eye because you don't want any creasing to be there later. To set the concealer, I'm going to use the setting powder. This is from the crayon case, and it is in the letter Y. For the contour, I'm going in with the Mixed Race Contour Palette by Plain Makeup by Yolanda, and we're going to use this shade right here. To contour the nose, we're going to go back in the same shade and that same palette, and we're using the Real Techniques brush. You always want to work in between your brushes, so now I'm using my concealer brush to take away some of that harshness so it can look even more snatched. For the blush, we're going to use Plain Makeup by Yolanda. This is her Bloomin' Blush palette, and it comes with a variety of 8 different colors, but today I think I'm just going to dive into one, which is this one right here. Now I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow from MAC. This is the Burgundy Times 9 eyeshadow palette, and I am going to go ahead and place that on my lid. Now let's pop on our second color, and this color is kind of a dark brownish, burgundy-ish color. For our last color, we're going to go in this, it's kind of like a glittery color, and we're going to put this in the inner corner of our eyes. Next up is mascara called Bad Gal Bang, and this is from Benefit Cosmetics. These lashes are out of the Crayon Case's Purple Lash Book, and it is the second pair that is in that lash book. Before placing on the lashes, I let the glue dry down for about a minute. Maybe not that long, but I just let it dry down to get a little bit tacky. Don't y'all forget to put mascara on your bottom lashes as well. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this Aaliyah and Matte collection. This is bronzing powder in the shade Baby Girl, but I'm going to be using this as a highlighter. When you open up the inside, it has Aaliyah's signature engraved on it, and it's so beautiful. I didn't even want to use this, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use it this one time. It gives it that natural glow, like it's not even nothing in there. Like if the sun was to hit your natural highlight T-zone areas, that's what this bronzing powder looks like. It is so beautiful. I love this as a highlighter so much that I had to go back and put some more up there. It's just so beautiful. To line my lips, I'm going to use a lippy from ScratchedByCat.com, and this is a matte lipstick. It's in the shade Tiramisu. I am going to very carefully outline my natural lip line. You really want to take your time outlining your lips. Make sure, you get them as even as you can. So now I'm just overdrawing, as you may say, my lips right now. After you got that on, you just want it to dry down for a little bit. So wait about a minute or two before you put your next coat on. Now I'm going to use Stila's Stay All Day liquid lipstick. This is in the color Caramello, and I'm going to put this right on top of the other lippy. I'm using my finger to make sure I got that perfect ombre effect. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.